Hello everyone and welcome back to Explore Engineering. Have you ever wondered how an Arduino communicates with your computer? In today's video, we'll learn serial communication using a single Arduino in Tinkercad. We'll first see how the Arduino sends data automatically to the serial monitor without any user input. Then we will explore serial communication with user input, where you can type messages in the serial monitor and the Arduino reads and responds to them. This beginner-friendly tutorial is simple, practical, and perfect for you people for learning Arduino programming. So open Tinkercad, get your Arduino ready, and let's start coding. Now here we are using two programs. This is the program 1 without that is without the user input, and this is the program 2 with user input. So here we are comparing these two serial programs, that is Arduino serial programs. The first program, it prints a fixed message repeatedly, and the second program, it reads the data entered by the user and echoes it back, that is, it will send it back. Now here we are comparing these two programs. The purpose is to print a fixed message repeatedly, and here for program 2 to read data entered by the user and echoes it back. Then second, here we are whether it uses the serial print ln or no. This program 1, it uses the serial print ln, and here it doesn't use that in the second program. Next is it uses the serial read mode, okay, read instruction. Here the program 1, it doesn't need it. That is, here we are not using the serial read instruction, but here we are using in the second program. Next is serial available. We are not using that in program 1, but we are using that in the program 2. Then we have user input required. In the first program, we don't need any user input, but here we need the user input. Now here the output, we get it automatically in the first program, whereas in program 2, the output depends upon the user input. Now here I have given the output to be printed as Feroza Mirajkar. So it will continuously print the message, that is Feroza Mirajkar here. This is the output of the first program. So it will automatically print repeatedly, this one. Then here in output 2, sorry, in output of the program 2, here I will be giving the input as hello, then the output will be echoed as hello. Or otherwise you give Arduino as the input, it will echo back it as Arduino as the output. So this will echoes whatever user will type. Now here this is the program 1. So it will print a fixed message, that is, this is the Arduino code which we'll be using, and this is the output for this particular Arduino code. You can change the message here. I have written my name. You can write any message here. Now working here is it initializes the serial communication at 9600 baud. Then it will print the message Feroza Mirajkar. Then it will wait for 1 second and it will repeat it forever. That is, this loop will continue repeatedly. Now here this program does not require any user input. So the program will print the message Feroza Mirajkar on the serial monitor every 1 second continuously. This is the program. Okay, this is the program, and here we need only one Arduino. There is no extra connection here. Just we need to select one Arduino from the Tinkercad. And here this is what I have executed. This is the message. This is the code. After simulating the code, we'll get the output in the serial monitor. This is for the first program. Next, this is the second program which will read the user input and it will echo the character back. Now this is the Arduino code. Here the working is it will initialize the serial communication at 9600 baud. Then it will wait until the user types something in the serial monitor. After that, it will read one character at a time. Then it will print the same character back. Okay, it will echo it. Now here this is the step-by-step working of the program. The program starts and sets the baud rate to 9600. Then it continuously checks if any data is available in the serial monitor by using the serial available instruction. Then when you type a character, it reads that character using the serial read. Okay, that is this instruction. Then the same character is printed back using the serial print. Now here we are not using ln. Ln will, if we write here ln, then it will go to the next line. But we want all the characters in the same line, therefore we are using the serial print. So this process repeats for every character typed. Now here this is example one year for this program. Here we are giving the input as hello in the serial monitor input, and in the serial monitor output we'll get hello. If you are giving it as Arduino UNO, we'll get the same in the Arduino UNO. So this program requires user input. And here the program reads the characters typed by the user in the serial monitor and echoes them back immediately. And it continues this process for every character. So this is the program for the serial communication with user input. Okay, and here this is what I've done in Tinkercad. Here also you need only one Arduino board, and this is the program for that. After simulating the program, you will get this output. Okay, here. Now, what are the key differences between these two programs? Program 1 prints a fixed message, okay, and here the Arduino sends data from the Arduino to the computer. Whereas here in program 2, it will read and echo the characters. So it will receive the data from the computer and it will send it back to it, okay. Then that is here the Arduino is receiving from the computer, and again that message it is sending back to the computer. Output is predefined here, okay, that is we are giving the output in the program itself, but here the output depends upon what the user types. Fine. Now after that, here we are using the serial print ln to print the fixed string, but here we are using the serial read to read the incoming characters and serial print to display them. And program 1 runs continuously without the user interaction, whereas here program 2 it will wait for the user input before producing the output. Okay, so here these are the key differences. Now we'll execute these programs in Arduino, that is Tinkercad. Okay, so here I have already opened the Tinkercad website. Because it is an online one, you need an internet connection for this. It is an online simulation software. Okay, now you will get this one. Once you, like in the previous videos, I have shown you how to open the Tinkercad. That is, first you have to log in, then you have to create the designs and all. That is the circuits. Now I have created many circuits. You will also create many circuits. Okay, now those all circuits, it will be saved in designs here. Okay, designs. You go to the design. See, whatever I have done, it is saved here, all the circuit diagrams which we have seen in the previous videos. Now this is the serial monitor without LED. In the previous video we have seen the serial communication with LED. Now this is serial communication without LED. I will open this only. Now I will tinker this. Okay, from the PPT presentation I will take the first program. This is the first program. I will copy it and I will paste it here in the code. Okay, now I will simulate it. Now you click on the serial monitor. See, here it is continuously printing the message Feroza Mirajkar. Okay, this is the first program. This is for the first program. Now I'll stop the simulation. I will go to the second program. Okay, here this is the second program. Sorry, this is not the second program. This is the second program. Okay, again go to the Tinkercad. See, here you have to select only one Arduino board. Okay, that is from here you should click and you have to drag. There is no extra connection here. Now go to the code, change this code. We'll paste the second program here. Okay, this is case sensitive. You have to always remember it is case sensitive. Now start simulation. See, here it is not giving any output. Until and unless we give any input, it will not give any output. Now I will type here Arduino Uno, okay, and I will send. Here it is printing Arduino Uno, okay. I'll write it here as serial communication. Now I will send it. See, here it is printing the output, whatever we are giving as input. Okay, so this is about the serial communication. So now we have successfully learned the serial communication using a single Arduino and Tinkercad, both without user input and with user input through the serial monitor. Now these concepts form the foundation for many Arduino IoT and embedded system projects. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Explore Engineering for more easy to understand engineering tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you would like to see next, let me know in the comment box. So thank you for watching. Keep practicing, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning.